So people ask me what I do, and I say that I'm a business attorney. My background, I have a degree in business management from Linfield College, which is located right outside of Portland, Oregon. From there, I went all the way to New York, where I have a business concentration from Albany Law School, located in the capital of New York. So people ask me, what do I do? I say I'm a business attorney, but what does that mean? I took some notes, cheating a little bit, but business law encompasses many things. Encompasses statutes, common law, cases that the court has found whether or not a contract is enforceable. Also involves regulations. Certain businesses and types of businesses are more regulated than others. We always talk about the government being involved in business. Well, it's up to us to find what laws pertain to your business and have you operate within that business legally and profitably, right? That's why we're here. But also part of my job is to analyze relationships. So I need to understand not only the legal framework and the legal documents, but also to understand the relationships, especially here in Boise. And when you get into some of the smaller communities, really the relationships are what can make deals happen. I saw this. I grew up in Kimberly, Idaho, right outside of Twin Falls, Idaho. So you can't always take that hard line New York attorney approach where if the law's on your side, you go after them with 110% effort to try to get them in trouble or to try to get a judgment against somebody for breaking a contract. Instead, you try to work on the relationship, have you agree to get the final objective, which is for them to perform under the contract. But we deal with everything from business formation and organization to contracts to business planning to business negotiations to business acquisitions. I've helped several businesses be purchased and sold, and it's just vital. That's one of my aspects. One of my favorite are negotiations, working with contracts. I love reading them. It's really weird, but hand me a 29-page contract. I will read it from top to bottom and redline it, which is to make a lot of changes in Word and give that back to a client, a commercial owner, a residential tenant, with some changes to try to anticipate problems that happen in the future. So as a business attorney, what do? I help a business or an individual operate within the business community under the umbrella of business law to be profitable or to be successful.